how to allow camera access on Instagram. If you want to allow camera access on Instagram, just follow me. Open settings on your phone and then scroll to wait a minute, where are you? Apps, this one, apps, and scroll to Instagram. Where are you? Instagram, this one, Instagram. Tap on it. Below notifications you will see permissions, camera, microphone and storage. Just click on it. Click on camera because you want to get permission on camera on Instagram, and you will choose allow only while using the app, or ask every time, or don't allow. If you want to get camera access for this app, for Instagram app, just select the first one, allow only while using the app. So if you open the Instagram app, the camera access automatically allowed. So that's all the tutorial on how to allow camera access on Instagram. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.